This section of the website is dedicated to the law of product liability. So let's start at the beginning. What is product liability? A product liability lawsuit arises when an injury or death happens from a defective product. What makes a product defective? You should know that this is a question many lawyers who claim to handle personal injury cases cannot answer correctly. They may not know that there are 3 types of product defects that can make the product unreasonably dangerous. A product can be defective because, 1, the product has a manufacturing defect when the product departs from its intended design, even though all possible care was exercised in the preparation and marketing of the product. In other words, the product failed because there was an unintended manufacturing defect. 2, the product contains a design defect that renders it unreasonably dangerous when the harm created by the product could have been reduced or eliminated completely by a reasonable alternative design. The product does not have a manufacturing defect. It's defective simply because of its design. It doesn't matter if the manufacturer didn't know about the potential for failure. 3, the product has inadequate warnings, rendering it unreasonably dangerous when put to a reasonably anticipated use. Warning labels. We see them on anything we buy and on many things around us every day. So, a lack of warnings can cause a product to be defective. This happens if a person uses a product in a manner different than the manufacturer intended, but should have anticipated and warned against, which makes the product unreasonably dangerous when used in that manner. For example, such incidents have occurred when a drug was administered incorrectly, but in a manner the manufacturer should have anticipated and should have warned against, which resulted in a horrible side effect. Or where a weight-bearing product was overloaded because its limitations were not clearly defined on warning labels. One final tip. If you have a lawyer tell you that product liability is strict liability, be very careful. That lawyer may or may not know what he or she is talking about. Strict liability is an entirely different area of the law and has absolutely nothing to do with product liability. For more information about product liability, please refer to the rest of the section of this website. Thank you.